Mother Nature, the secret of whose creation we still don't know exactly. As far as we know, the world's fastest growing geologists, scientists, and educators are just guessing, and that is what we continue to believe in our knowledge base. Again, on the other hand, theologians are saying that God created everything. However, those of us who are somewhat familiar with the textbook know at least that the only life is begins on earth, and it has been made possible by the proper heat of the sun and the correct position of the earth in the solar system. We call the whole world in simple language nature, what I can call Mother Nature. The entire living world has been created by the grace of Mother Nature in the right environment of the earth. Man has been created with the characteristics of all living beings as the last version of the creation of this living world. The man is the most intelligent creature among the children of Mother Nature. And in the arrogance of this intellect, he wants to bring everything under his control. He is recurrent to keep anything elusive. That is why he did not stop establishing his empire on earth but migrated to the moon, the Mars. There is only one problem: he is not satisfied with anything. As every mother raises her child with absolute affection and love, in the same way, Mother Nature continues to nurture the living world created by him without any. The plant world created by the Mother Nature has appeared to all other living beings in another form of mother. This mother, like green plant, also goes through all the other creatures without exchanging anything. The main means of survival, food, oxygen, shelter, how much more? Almost all organisms are directly or indirectly dependent on these plants, but they continue to oppress him. Forest after forest is being destroyed by man made artificial fires. People are establishing cities, towns, and industries by clearing forests. Skyscrapers are being built, buildings, temples, mosques, churches, gurudwaras. Exploitation, torture, plunder, and oppression continue unabated on the mother of nature. Man is snatching all the resources from his chest to fulfill his own interest, none of which is his own creation, and in return, he is giving only pollution, stigma, defiling its purity and impurity, its biodiversity and balance are being damaged. The miles are poisoning the air with the smoke of vehicles. The water that is the lifeblood of all living things, in making it filthy, the entire land and water surface is covered with the most harmful killing material, plastic cover. As a result of which he is causing harm to others, he is also facing various problems. That is why he cannot breathe in the open air, nor can he get the purity of drinking water. In addition, he is creating his own drinking water crisis. Even then, he is not calm. In the hope of self fulfillment, he made a difference among himself in various ways by hiding himself behind an invisible mask, sometimes with land, sometimes with power, race, religion, caste, sometimes with the difference of money, rich, poor. The game of sharing is going on with the world. He wants to rule everything in the power struggle, but it is time to realize that money and power don't do anything. If you want to get something, you have to lose something, or to achieve something, you must lose something. It is not possible to get anything without price. Maybe that's the price will be life. He will take only nectar from the lap of Mother Nature in exchange for poisonous substance. It can no longer be. The universal mother also has a limit of tolerance. Sometimes unbearable, he repeatedly tried to make his intelligent children aware through various incidents, but who cares? Don't talk about it. Man is intoxicated with the arrogance of power. He is only indulging in luxury. He forgot that if a tiny creature like him could destroy everything just to satisfy his own interests without creating anything, so the one who created, what can she do? According to various sources, in the 20th year or every century, only a terrible epidemic fell on mankind, and millions of lives have been lost due to those epidemics. But even then, his knowledge did not rise, consciousness did not awaken. Even today, In 2020, Mother Nature has shown that people who are proud of their intellect, money, and power are in fact very insignificant, and that Mother Nature is only a small part of it. The mask that he has been wearing to deceive others for so long, today the mask has become one of his compulsory ornaments. He has imprisoned himself today in a small corner of his money power palace. Maybe his picture of sin is full, so he is ashamed and afraid to show his face. Sometimes Mother Nature herself heals her wounds in her own glory. A sample of that in this corona epidemic today, mankind is under house arrest today. Its atmosphere has become much more pollution free, river sea water has become clean, transparent, animals and birds are buzzing around today. Plants are happy today with the beauty of leaves, flowers, branches. The ozone layer has shrunk today and global warming has dropped unexpectedly. Leaders, ministers, and centuries, including the world's richest, most powerful, and statements, are all looking to scientists, doctors, health workers today so that they survive the journey. They will go down again in the battle of power and territory. This corona epidemic will be history for them. Really, Mother Nature, what a strange creation you have, this mankind. Even after so many things, this consciousness may not return. Maybe it won't change that much his mentality. Maybe it will stop when everything is destroyed. This intoxication. Now, at least as an intelligent being, it is time for a man to think that he needs to take care of the universal mother of nature as well. The mother who has given us all the opportunity to be born, nurtured with the utmost affection and care, also has a limit of tolerance to accept the humiliation of the child and the humiliation. If he can't change, then maybe mother herself will destroy and teach us, and then no one will have to do anything. A small child of Mother Nature, Pradeep Kumar Khan, Koilibad, Dhadika 721127, Paschim Mednipur, West Bengal, India.
If you like and love this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.